folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a variety of temperature readings for you guys on the Nordica, the Rosetta BII stove. So through this video, I'm going to take you through the burn process, which will basically give you temperature readings at a low, a medium, and a high setting, so you can kind of see, you know, what variety of temperatures and ranges that you can hit and what types of food you can cook. Alright, so again, we are about 10 minutes into this burn right now, and I'm going to give you guys some readings. So the hottest area on the cook plate is already at 260 degrees. Directly above the oven, the cooktop is about 180 degrees. Right over the oven clean out here, 234 degrees. On the side panel, the top side panel of the stove, 70 degrees at the top, 65 degrees at the bottom. The glass is at a temperature of 343 degrees. Oven's at about 217 degrees, and this is literally just 10 minutes in to the burn, and I do not have the oven actually activated at this time. So as we move into the next medium burn, I will keep you guys updated.
416 degrees on the front glass during our medium burn.
Yeah, and on the top it is 383 is on the top.
383 degrees on the cooktop.
And right there we got, oh wow, we got
229 degrees. Go ahead and give me the reading on the side panel. Side panel reading is 129. Bottom 85. Here we have 73. 148. Wow, that's pretty hot. Cooktop, corner cooktop temperature 478.
Okay, we are headed into our hot burn right now. We are approximately 10 to 15 minutes into it. The stove has been burning approximately 5 to 5.5 hours, and I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings. So directly over on your oven clean out plate on the right hand side of the stove is 430 degrees. The Flue Collar is 350 degrees. Right hand side of your cook plate is 350 degrees. The center cook plate is at 512 degrees. And side corners of the stove are about 369 degrees. Our front glass is 583 degrees. So that's 600 degrees on the side walls and about 500 in the top and the bottom. So it's pretty hot, like 550 degrees in the oven with a roaring hot fire and my oven damper not even activated. So these Nordica stoves, they like to burn hot. So great for cooking high temperature things. People ask about pizzas. If you need that high temperature for the pizzas, Nordicas make wonderful pizzas. So yeah, side panels of the stove are looking like 190 at the top, 96 at the bottom, same 199 at the top. So I hope you guys find these temperature readings helpful. So, if you guys find this video helpful, you know, we really try and educate our customers and provide as much information to you guys as possible. So we work really hard to provide free information. If you guys do appreciate that, I would appreciate if you guys could just give me a little thumbs up there. Liking my videos really helps me out. If you click subscribe in the corner of the channel, that helps me out tremendously. I love it if you guys share my content with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.